Hello, this video is about the purchase order creation. So who creates purchase orders and how? This slide here actually explains almost every possible situation when there are purchase order and how purchase order is created. The only thing which is it's not correct here is that it says that it's PPO that creates purchase orders. It was correct up till May 2021. But since May 2021, we have GBS team now that is involved in creation of purchase orders. It doesn't say that they are responsible for it 100%. No. They are partially responsible for that. They have taken some markets. They work with some markets, but I guess in future they will take it over completely from the PPO. But for now on, it's let's say mixed field of responsibility between PPO and GBS. So, in any case, the teams which are involved, as you may already understand, is GBS and Global Indirect Procurement, which was previously called PPO. And also it might be the system itself. It says here APO with point and some other systems. But let's just go over the variants. The first one here is when it is actually a PPO, which is currently GBS or Global Indirect Procurement, that creates POs from purchase requisitions which were created and approved. Normally, this will be my shop purchase requisitions and manual purchase requisitions. Just for you to understand, these will be mostly for marketing materials. This is mostly for production materials. So for marketing materials, it will be Global Indirect Procurement. They have automatic transactions, which they normally use because they have plenty of those to create. So they use ZMPA ME59N, which is actually ME59N with one of the fields grayed out, and ME57, which is assigning, this is just purely creation of the ready purchase requisitions. This one is to work with the purchase requisitions which are not completely done if there is some assignment missing, like vendor purchasing group or whatever, purchasing organization, but no, it's purchasing group, otherwise people will not get it. Or they might do it manually in case it is needed, because in some cases purchase orders have to be created manually to set down payment or if to choose a specific type of the purchase order. In some cases, they have wind shuttle scripts when they put the purchase requisitions there, and this wind shuttle script creates purchase orders. It's just another possibility, but normally it's a job which runs ZMP ME59N, or this transaction is run manually, like 90%, I guess. This is automatic creation of purchase orders from purchase requisitions for marketing materials. Actually, it is still possible for Global Indirect Procurement team or GPS, I guess, to create those POs manually without having purchase requisition. All these variants were based on the existing and approved purchase requisition. This one actually does not require one. You may just go to ME21N and create purchase order from scratch without having purchase requisition. But if you remember, we have purchase requisitions to have the approval flow. If it was not approved, but Global Indirect Procurement decides to create one, it will be blocked. We still need approval. So this is what can be done for marketing materials, actually, and spare parts. For spare parts, they use wind shuttle scripts. Then the production materials and other types of purchase orders that are created, they are created automatically normally using some IDOCs or using specific connections between the systems. Well, the main sources of those purchase orders will be planning module of SAP. In screenshot, it says SAP APO, but it was replaced in April by just was decommissioned, and now have just planning module within P40, but still it just feeds the information and is the source of purchase orders. They are not approved, they do not need approval. They come automatically from planning. This is one thing. Then we have leaf point application for buying green leaf from the farmers. All the activities are done within it, and the system feeds the information into SAP, and it is created, and it reflects actually the purchases which are done via leaf point as purchase orders in SAP. TM, transportation management, may also create purchase orders automatically, but those would be purchase orders for transportation costs. So we have some automatic purchase orders coming. These are created automatically, and all jobs normally do not complain, or people just fix those very quickly. Whenever there is a living person involved, there is a higher chance of the error. That's why most of their purchase orders you will deal with would be purchase orders created based on purchase requisitions by GPS and by global direct procurement. So all these are all the ways to create purchase orders. I guess this will be enough for this video, and we'll just discuss all of those methods separately. So actually, we'll discuss the creation of purchase orders via SDP ME59N and ME21N because they're most common. I will stop the recording now.